What's up, guys? Let's finish this one up. Gonna get it in the mail. I will be on vacation next week. First one we've gone on in a while, so I wanted to finish this one up before we left. I don't like making people wait if I can keep from it. Anyway, turned out pretty good. This is an EDC. They wanted black micarta, real durable handle material. Did nickel silver pins and then a mosaic in the middle. Really can't go wrong with micarta as far as durability goes. That stuff is crazy durable. But anyway, I've got one other blade similar to this one. It's actually a drop point, but we could change it into a clip. Somebody wanted it that has not been taken. And then I still have one small little nicker that I don't think I've even taken a picture of yet, that's in a clip point that is available too. But anyway, hope everybody has a good weekend. I know it's Friday, not quite there yet, but I won't be on this weekend, not on the Sloan knife page at least. Alright guys, see you later.